Wait, what? Wait, it's actually gone. Wait, what? No, no, no.
The beginning of this trip starts out a little bit hectic, as a lot of things do. Austin was scrambling, trying to get his paper turned in because he had screwed up, which, you know, happens a lot. It happens to the best of us, honestly. We quickly recover so we can help load the buses to prepare for just traveling. Well, honestly, not really sure what I was gonna say right there.
Probably did.
Yeah, so it was an extremely long and uncomfortable ride up there, but the jams were nice. And eventually, we did finally get there, and I felt right at home. You know, I'd been coming here for years, and this spot in particular, oh boy, this spot is one of my favorite spots at the place. So we were looking for our group since I rode separate with Logan, and we did end up running into some people, and then we ended up having to set up for some game. But that was not before I once again saw my spot. We will get to you soon, my friend. Don't you worry. So we were setting up for some game called 9 Square, which I did end up helping with. I wasn't just videoing it the whole time. I hope I got... You might be wondering, Ben, what just happened there? And I'll tell you what happened. So I picked up a ball and told them I was about to make a half-court shot the first try. And I did indeed end up doing that. Only problem was, I didn't get it fully on camera like I thought I did. It was kind of disappointing, but you know what? It is what it is.
Can he hit rim? Oh, that's cool. I'm about to see if he can hit rim. Oh. Left-handed? Oh, hell.
I eventually find the other people and I talk to an old friend, catch up with them who I hadn't seen since the last conference. And then we take a trip to the mall to eat some food. But along the way, I realized we could have had, well, how do you say this? Some better food. Shout out Emmett. I spent about $15 on 2 very mid slices of pizza, which I would not recommend. But then I saw a broken escalator, so it made it up for it. I decided to film the mall, so we walked around in groups, visited a candy store to start off with, and we, honestly, I don't really know. Brody got my way right here. I don't really know what I was trying to do. We walked around a few stores until Austin found some toys.
How do I get one of these? I should buy one. I want to.
I think you gotta put your card up to it first.
How much?
Yeah.
Rent?
Rent. Yeah.
Rent?
Oh, so that's cheap. That's cheap. That's so cheap.
That's not cheap.
$12 is so cheap.
That's
Austin,
not
you
cheap.
were a grown high schooler. Why would you even want this? You're paying for it? Yo.
I got your face.
Which one you want, Austin?
I want that orange one.
No,
Number 12?
I want that one.
That's $12.
I'm not gonna waste my parents' money on that.
Use your own money.
Yeah, you wasted it on that sucker.
But you always tell me your dad's retired.
I mean, he's taking his
If we, I'll split. If you pay, I'll pay half.
What am I about to pay for? I can't even
what?
for one
You can't
person.
fit in this, Austin.
No.
Do you want me to sit on your lap?
Weight limit, probably.
Hold on, let me just test it.
What do you mean? Why would you ever want to ride
I'll
it?
see if I can fit. Oh, I'm not buying
Who's
it.
pushing you around?
It's gas.
Oh, it's not.
Okay, that was kind of tough. Turn around.
Oh, hey.
The rest of the mall time was us just kind of walking around the mall, but I did tell the guys that if we saw a Build-A-Bear, I wanted to build a bear, and we finally did find a Build-A-Bear, but I didn't build a bear because building a bear costs a lot of money, and I don't really have much money.
Bro, I told you build a bear, bro. I told you we're going in here.
What, are you making one?
Here's some trains if you care about trains. We were in a department store that was apparently only and so a staff member came and told us the next section where after the mall trip, we decided to go find a room, which is pretty much the same thing as every year, so I don't really have much to say about that.
They smell good?
Yep.
Bro, we have a white van outside of our room.
Oh wait, there actually is a white van. What the heck?
Austin and I eventually went to go get our annual Oreo frappe. It's a tradition at this point. And man, those things are they're so good. Honestly, I really don't think I've ever had a better frappe in my entire life.
What are you doing? Come on, come cheers. Come cheers. Cheers.
What? I didn't drink it. Did you see this?
Oh, Oh, that's good.
Don't be dumb. Give them the thumbs up, bro.
Don't be dumb, give on the thumbs.
If you guys want, I do have merch that I'm selling, which I really need to get rid of because I've had it for a while, and it's like $20, which I know is expensive, but I gotta get rid of it. So if you want any, just let me know, please.
Oh, people are in our game room, bro. Who's in our game room? Randoms.
Hello. I just need us all to agree that this is a professional game of Jenga that's about to be played. Let the games begin.
So we actually ended up playing like a very super professional game of Jenga. It felt like golf, and we were like clapping, taking our time. You know, it was actually super cool. And well, this ended up happening. We ended up getting a bigger group of people together with Casey and his girlfriend and Carson, and we ended up playing the biggest game of Jenga, figuratively with the people and figuratively with the tower. The tower, we decided to grab the tower that was on the table right beside of us, so we ended up having the biggest, most difficult game of Jenga I've ever played, with a lot of fun at the same time, and it was super cool with all the people. And whenever it fell, well, I'm just gonna say that was kind of terrifying, to be quite honest. I did post a short about it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. If you don't follow those pages, go ahead and go follow them. But yeah, that was one of the coolest experiences I've ever had.
Urban, why did you go for that piece?
How does he get this?
That's it.
I ended up chasing after Austin, and I gotta be honest, I don't really know why now. I think he might have hit me with a ping pong ball, but I didn't really feel like chasing him.
Alrighty, Austin, go ahead and tell the people where we're about to go.
We go into the back, or no, one of the carpet ball.
We are? Oh, we're going there first? I usually have to have a frappuccino in order to do that. We'll do that tomorrow. Well, tonight we are about to go to the back rooms. Yes, there is an actual back rooms located here at the place that we're staying at, and we're about to go there. And it's pretty cool. We found it last year, and we like it, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
He's kind of camera shy.
I'm not camera shy.
He's camera. Oh, you're him. Okay. Why do you have a giant rock? That's what?
Wait, the Rock Johnson.
That's funny.
Right?
Oh, bad dude with a rad tude, am I right? Just a couple of bad dudes with a rad tude.
A couple bad dudes with the rad suits.
Well. Look where we are, Austin Davison.
Where we at?
We're at the back rooms. What do you mean, where are we at? Road in there, rad.
Okay.
Ooh, is that what that means in Spanish? Ooh, it's closed. Let me get. Oh dear, do you remember that smell? I don't remember what this exit went to. I'm scared. That opens. Let's go in the elevator. Open it. Where's it go? Wait, what? What? I knew there was no one in here. You're not slick. Look at this locked out. Hold up. Yeah. We would have been stuck in there. Wait, there's a door right here. Yo. Dude, I'm so scared to ride this elevator. This elevator's scary. I'll take us to floor 2. No! No, you actually gotta stop. Calm down. Is there someone in there? Oh, I thought there was someone in here. Oh.
Me and Austin saw some people we knew in the back rooms. We ended up running, but they ended up finding us, and then Austin ran, and I exited the back rooms, and I have no idea where Austin went, so I'm just going to sit on this bench, I guess, until I find him, which I don't really know how it's going to work, but we'll figure it out.
I did end up finding Austin. We got stuck at a dead end somewhere. Not really quite sure where, to be quite honest.
Right.
No, my head. Clutch. Come on. Ah, crap.
With the worst possible way. Hey! Hey! Thought we lost you for a second. That is freaking disgusting. That bench right there is PTSD. Ain't that right, Connor?
Yeah.
I slept there last year. I slept on this thing, this bench. That bench. I slept. Here, hold up. Here, I slept for 2 nights.
And then finally, the big time came to go to our favorite spot.
You know what time it is? It's time for. Wait, what? Wait, it's actually gone. Wait, what? No. Wait, what? Wait, it's actually gone. This cannot be real. Wait, it's actually gone.
Oh,
I thought you were just joking. Oh, wait, really?
you knew that. You knew this was wrong.
I actually did not know that. Wait, are you? This is a spot.
No.
Austin, this is a spot, you donut. Dude, it's actually gone.
Yeah, because
No, wait, no, this is off. Where is it at?
Remember this rock?
Yeah. No. No, we gotta find this.
Wait.
It's gotta be over here. That can't be the spot. It's gone. No. No, there's no way. Why would they do that? Bro, that thing's gone.
End of an era.
End of an era? No. That's just gone.
Yeah, tragedy has struck, to be quite honest. You know, we've been coming here for years now. I came without him the first year. In the past 2 years, it have been me and him, man. And I even have pictures. I got the same picture every single year. Boom, boom, boom. And here was one from this year. Boom, without the carpet ball, without the carpet ball table. It's honestly just sad times, man. It shows we're just growing old and things are changing. But some things never change.
Like me and Austin exploring random places, for example. It's just something that we both enjoy, honestly, and it's fun. Cozy.
It's the end of the line.
We've had planned to explore the cave for a few years, but we didn't get the chance to, but I did get a shot of Austin exploring it. After a long day, we did finally get back to our cabins, but I didn't really get much sleep. But that's one thing about Snowden. You don't go there expecting to get much sleep. So honestly, I'm not mad about it. Well, I'm disappointed, but, you know, not mad. Oh, that's a nice sunset. I started out the morning nights with a nice caramel frappuccino, which was delicious, and some Clash Royale with my good bud, Kason. We then went to the ski resort, which honestly, I spent 6 hours not really doing much. Like, I talked to people. I spent $20 on chicken tenders and fries, which was actually good. But honestly, I really didn't do much. And the van ride there was fun. It was crazy.
Hey, and shout out Austin for the awesome skiing footage. I myself have never skied before, but honestly, after watching his footage, I look-y might, consider it. Obviously, this is snowboarding, but it looks a lot of fun, and I've always been kind of scared of it, because I broke my arm really bad one time. But honestly, this looks pretty cool, so I really appreciate you, man, and shout out you, I guess.
Number 1.
Wilt Chamberlain's game is fake.
Okay.
I'm 700.
This was our food that night, if you care at all. Austin and I had just been wandering around aimlessly, and I just happened to stumble upon my friend playing the piano, and I gotta say, he's tough.
No, I can't.
Austin and I decided to go check out a building we had never really been to before, because there's a few of them left, and then our friend happened to just stumble upon us.
Hi, Jaden.
There honestly wasn't really much to see, though, and then we even ended up losing Austin somehow.
Why does this place go? Oh, finally at the top. Alright. Okay. It's up. I can catch my video.
So story time, Austin had found this girl that he thought was playing eye tag with her the whole time, so he was playing eye tag back with her. And so he finally got the courage to ask her for her number, which I thought was very courageful of him. That's the only person I could not do, but well, let's just say that didn't go the way he planned it to. I had to chase Austin down, and I genuinely felt bad because he really thought that girl liked him, but well, in the end she didn't, and you learned to live with that at the end of the day. Breakfast the next day was fire, though. Man, those potatoes, oh my goodness. If you never had the potatoes there before, oh my goodness, they're fire. Get some. Final frappuccino. Austin doesn't look happy, though. And yeah, that pretty much sums up my snowed in. Now, I didn't record the services out of respect, and if I missed anything, because obviously I don't do the same thing everybody else did, and you want to snowed in, just let me know. And well, thanks for watching. I know it's been a while since I recorded a video, but hopefully this one lets me upload in 4K, so it should be good quality. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a great one. Not good. That was lame. I'm gonna shut up.